Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So here are the second segment of the 2011 Chevy Equinox. This will be a rear quarter panel and rear door fix. It was an accident. As you can see, it's all crumbled in still. All right, so now my colleague here will X marks the spot on the spots that we are going to start pulling with a
stud puller.
Stud puller. Here we go. So
grind all the paint off. Put stud pullers on it and pull the dents out.
Right at the X marks the spot, we'll be pulling with the stud puller. Here's your good old stud. You'll see how we do it. Okay, we want everybody to learn how to do this. That way they don't have to spend all that money in the body shops.
These are the studs.
Yeah,
grind it all down. They weld in certain spots, and then use a special puller. Pull everything out.
Well, you guys got that? All right. We'll get back to you. Stay tuned. Thank you for coming back. Appreciate it.